So the first course that we'll be delivering is called Designing Good Services. And Designing Good Services is a one-day masterclass that is designed for people who are new to service design, new to thinking about services in the context of what they are doing. And we start in the morning by talking about what we mean by a service, and then we walk through essentially the kind of principles of good service design and whether or not your service is delivering those, and looking at some potential changes and improvements that we can make to your service. So by the end of the day, you'll end up with a really good understanding of how we design services. You'll also end up with a really good understanding of some of the things that you might want to do to improve or change your service. So it's a really great course if you want to get something really concrete at the end of it to change in your service. Perhaps maybe you've only got a day, perhaps maybe service design is something new for you. So if that sounds like you, that's probably the course for you.